Good afternoon, Bridgewater families. This is Mrs. Antoine. I'd like to say we have made it successfully to MEA break. I'm so happy that we're able to make it to MEA break in person. I wasn't sure if we were going to hold out that long, but we are, which is fantastic. Our numbers in the county are going up, and I know that's due to a lot of testing that's been done. And at the same time, that testing is so important, because if you don't know that you're COVID positive and then you're walking around like normal, you could be spreading that to someone else, and that we don't want it to happen either. I myself went through the testing last week. It was much better than the first time that I was tested, and it was very quick, and I got my results within 2 days, and so really appreciated getting those results. And yes, my test came back negative, and that's obviously why I'm still here at Bridgewater. If my test would have come back positive, then I would be home on quarantine and would stay there until I was well. So thank you so much for those who have been tested so far. A couple changes. Our head custodian, Mr. St. Martin, has retired, and so as of this Friday, that is his last day. We thank him for all of his service to both the district and to Bridgewater. He's been at Bridgewater for the past 5 years and been in the district for over 25 years. So thank you so much to Mr. St. Martin and all that he has provided to our district in keeping our building clean. Mr. Helgeson will be the one that will be joining us come Monday, and we'd like to congratulate him and welcome him aboard. He was on nights before, so he's coming back to the day shift now. So thank you very much to both of them. Obviously, we've got some students that come to school without masks, and I wanted to kind of tell you about that process. So if a child walks in the door without a mask, it's not about running down your car outside or criticizing the student, because we all forget things, and I know that kids will forget. Overall, the majority of the kids wear theirs every single day. So if a child does forget, we bring them in the office and we give them a mask. We've had many partners in the community that have donated handmade masks to us, so those are the ones that we give to the students, and we just ask that they take that home with them. They can put it in their backpack as a spare one, but again, it's not something that we want returned to the office for obvious reasons. And again, this isn't about criticizing anybody. It's just a matter of making sure they have a mask and sending them on their way. So appreciate you paying special attention to those details in the morning. Taking temps, having the child wear their mask is important, but again, we all know that all of us forget things at times. I myself forget things at times, so we get that and we understand, but we are so fortunate that we've had those donations, and they're readily available to the students. In the meantime, I hope you have a nice long weekend. Enjoy your time together as a family, and we look forward to seeing everyone back on Monday. Thanks so much, and have fun. Bye-bye.